something in the mail today. Let us open this. So hard. Okay. It's a raw. Ooh. What's included here? Okay. This will be my first time to try this. I've been seeing this all over social media, so let's try. Instead of drinking apple cider in the morning, let's try this. So I bought the 5 because I can save, I think, $20 if I get 5. So this is what I got. But I did not take the automatic delivery. Exciting! I'm excited to try this one. Yep. It's Goli. Yay! Good morning! So this is my first time to do an official video for my YouTube channel. So what I'm going to do for my first video is to try this one here, because I received my first delivery for Goli. So this is not a sponsored video. I paid for this. I ordered this, and it's because it's all over social media. I've been seeing this ad on my Facebook, on Instagram. So, and then I always have vitamin C. So I was just interested when I saw this because I know a lot of people are drinking apple cider vinegar, but tapulan man ko every morning. Mixing water, lemon, apple cider, honey. So when I saw this, and then gisuggest sa akong brother to try this, so I was like, okay, sige, try na to. So I just opened this today. It arrived 2 days ago, but I opened this today. Today is June 12 here sa US. So let's see. Let's try. It smells good. Wala pag na ko gi-open ha. It smells good. So it's like this. I have more. I ordered, ilan eh? 5. I got 5 in one order. Kay makasave man ko. I can save I think $20. So let's open. Ooh, so it's like this. Naka-seal. So I haven't had anything yet this morning. It's 7:30. So wala pa ko nag-coffee, but I had water already. Usually, inigmata na ko mag-wash sa mouth, mag-gargle, drink water, and then coffee, usually coffee or hot milk. But now, wala. Okay, what I did kanina, nag-open ko ani, and then nagpagawas ko sa akong basurahan. Kaya it's Friday, so it's garbage day, pick up. So, kailangan makuha nila ang akong basura for 1 week. So anyway, going back to this. So, kinish siya, and in one bottle, you have 60 pieces. So, let's see kung pariho ra ba ang effect, because I have friends and I know people nga nag apple cider vinegar and they have good results. especially in losing weight. And not really losing weight, but their appetite, like ang appetite nila dili kaayo na sila, or na control nila ang appetite. So this one, it claimed the same result as if you are drinking an apple cider vinegar, ganang raw lang. So let's see. So today, June 12, I will take my first try of the gummies. So 60 pieces gummies. It's gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, and it's an organic supplement. It says here, I think, pila to? 1 to 2 gummies up to 3 times daily. So with my vitamin C gummies, I take 2 every day. So parihaso lang na to. I'll take 2 of these also. So let's see kung asa. So then, dili lang ko mag-update every day, but once I finish 1 bottle, I'll make another video of this, and then we'll see what's the result. Okay? It's a raw vlog. It's a raw face. Today's morning. Thank you guys. Bye-bye. See you next time. I should not say bye-bye. I shouldn't say bye-bye. I haven't tried it. So, okay, balik. No bye-bye yet. Let's try it. Unsa naman eh? Okay. 1. So, 1. Ah! Okay. So, it looks like this. So, let's try it. Delicious. Lami. Mura akong nagkaon og jelly. Cherry flavored jelly. Good. First day. It's yummy. Wala siya sugar coating, not like other gummies. Nga more na ay sugar coating. It's soft. Let's see the aftertaste. Naa siya sour flavor na aftertaste. Wait. Good. It's lami. So you try it, guys. Try it. Okay. So this time, this is finally goodbye for today's video in my first official video using Goli. Bye-bye.